It's Monday evening and April 1st, 2024. We have an inspirational powerhouse storm developing here in the Midwest. Major winter storm develops in the eastern portions of the Midwest, bringing an April snowstorm into the Wisconsin area. Illinois and Iowa as well. Unbelievably, half an inch to an inch of snow per hour, with 1 to 2 inches at times for the Quad Cities, 1 to 2 inches an hour for Green Bay, Wisconsin, with a mesoscale developing thunderstorm activity, increasing snowfall rates of 2 to 3 inches per hour. Bullseye of 6 to 12 inches can be expected in this storm system of 29.0, possibly 28.9 inch low as it rapidly intensifies from Indianapolis, where it's 29.4, shoots up into Michigan, 29.1, 29.0, possibly 28.9, and then moves backwards, westward, against the jet stream into Lake Michigan, possibly Wisconsin, and continues to intensify. One computer model has it at 28.95 before it weakens on Thursday. The system currently this afternoon is over in northwest Missouri at 29.6. It basically moves east, a little bit southeast, passing through the St. Louis area, southern Illinois, going right through Indianapolis, and then shooting up again up north. 3 scenarios for the storm track. One track takes it into the Detroit area, and then the thing moves backwards, moving west. Another one takes it into the central parts of Michigan, then it moves backwards, moving west. Another one takes it, they take it into Michigan. The question is, how far back is it going to go? Does it go into Lake Michigan? Does it stay in the state of Michigan, or does it actually move into Wisconsin? The further east tracks, the tracks which go further east, would bring heavy snow here to the Chicago area. Chicago has seen heavy snow, heavy wet snow as late as April, the second week of April before. 8 or 9 inches fell around April 8th, April 9th. It's only April 1st today, but this storm would be occurring on April 3rd, the morning of April 3rd. Places right now, Green Bay, Wisconsin, 50% chance for seeing 6 inches or more. National Weather Service has issued a winter storm watch for Green Bay, Wisconsin, and areas to the north. But the Milwaukee National Weather Service and the Chicago National Weather Service have been in contact with each other discussing the storm. So they are working out the details of the storm. The potential exists for northwest Illinois to get several inches of snow tomorrow, but it's unlikely that this will happen due to warmer temperatures. We have this intensifying storm system will weaken again on Thursday, and we will be left with an unseasonably cold air aloft. And this pocket of cold air will take a little while to get out of here as temperatures remain during the day in the 40s through Friday. But temperatures eventually do warm up as we head into the beginning parts of next week. Temperatures head into the 60s. Just right before this winter storm develops, we actually have a severe weather threat for areas even in the cold air north of the front, with a possible tornado or two even in the cold air north of the front. This is for places generally south of Highway 24. This would go south of the Chicago area, but the Storm Prediction Center does put Chicago at a risk of a 1 for severe weather, especially hail or damaging winds. Large waves on Lake Michigan as this winter storm develops, regardless as to whether snow or snowfall accumulation develops. 15 to 20 foot waves from Gary, Indiana, eastward, with lakeshore flooding a serious issue along the bike trail and all of the parks in the Chicago area along the lake, tells us the National Weather Service. Well, enjoy the snow for those people that love the snow. And then remember, we have warm weather coming in for the beginning portions of next week. Thank you for listening. I wish everybody a wonderful night.